Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious corn dish. First, choose the freshest corn available, ideally still in its husk. You'll also need unsalted butter, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Get a large pot of water boiling vigorously on your stovetop. This simple preparation ensures the corn's natural sweetness shines through beautifully. Once your water is at a rolling boil, gently place the corn cobs into the pot. Cook them for precisely 3 to 5 minutes. This short cooking time is crucial for achieving that perfect tender crisp texture. Overcooking can make the corn mushy and less flavorful, so keep a close eye on the clock for optimal results. After cooking, carefully remove the corn from the hot water and let it drain for a moment. Now for the best part, generously spread about 1 tablespoon of softened butter over each warm cob. Finish with a good sprinkle of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Serve immediately for the freshest, most satisfying experience. Now it's time to enjoy your perfectly prepared corn. This simple method truly brings out the natural sweetness and creates a wonderfully satisfying side dish every time. You'll find yourself coming back to this recipe again and again. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can change how you think about money, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.